Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you theorem number 2. If the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are also equal. It means two chords in a circle are given and that two chords are making equal angles at the center. So chord AB is making angle AOB, chord CD is making angle COD at the center, and these two angles are given equal to each other. We have to prove that the chords are also equal. It means AB equals to CD. We will take these two triangles AOB and COD. We will prove these two triangles congruent. OA equals to OC in both the triangles, radii of the same circle. Angle AOB and angle COD are already given equal to each other. Then OB and OD both are radii in the same circle. So OB equals to OD. Therefore we can see here side, angle, side. By side, angle, side criteria, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Therefore, the remaining parts are also equal to each other. Therefore, AB equals to CD. The chords are equal to each other, as we have already proved these two triangles congruent by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always same. Next theorem, theorem 3. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Here we can see that OM is perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord AB. We have to prove that this perpendicular bisects this chord. Bisects means dividing this chord into two equal parts. It means we have to prove that AM equals to BM. What we will do in construction, we will join OA and OB, both are radii. We will take these two triangles OAM and OBM. In these two triangles, angle OMA equals to angle OMB, both 90 degree each, right angle. OA equals to OB, radii, and according to this right angle, it is hypotenuse as well. And in both the triangles we can see OM is common in both the triangles. So this is common side. We can see right angle, hypotenuse, side. It means RHS criteria. Triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. As the two triangles are congruent to each other, therefore AM equals to BM by CPCT. It means OM bisects AB, which is proved. Theorem 4. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. This is just converse of theorem number 3. Now this line OM is bisecting the chord, means dividing this chord into two equal parts. It means AM equals to BM is given. And we have to prove that OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. Again we will join OA and OB. We will take these two triangles OAM and OBM. We will prove these two triangles congruent. OA equals to OB, radii. OM and OM common in both the triangles. And AM equals to BM, which is given in the question. So forming side, side, side criteria, triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. Therefore, angle OMA and angle OMB will be equals to each other by CPCT. And we can see that angle OMA and angle OMB is forming a linear pair, adjacent angles. So the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Angle OMA remains OMA. In place of OMB also we can put angle OMA, as we have proved above by CPCT. So OMA plus OMA, twice of angle OMA equals to 180. Angle OMA equals to 180 by 2, 90 degree. Since angle OMA is 90, therefore angle OMB is also equals to 90 degree. Both these angles are making 90 degree angle each on the chord AB. Therefore OM is perpendicular to AB. Thank you.